Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I'm at Goodwill, and I just tried this jacket on and I'm gonna buy it. I'm so excited, but I want to show you really quick how it looks on. So it's like a little bit of a try-on haul for you guys to see how it looks on. It is so much fun, and look at this pattern, you guys. Isn't that so cute? I'm totally digging this pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like, or sorry, I'm gonna show you more about it when I get home and do my haul. But you guys, I love this jacket. So anyways, I want to show you it, and I'll see you when I get home. All right, friends, thanks so much. See you soon. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so very much for being here. So as you'll see in the video, I was at Goodwill a few days ago, and because my hair looks different now because I just had it done, but this was just like 4 days ago, like less than a week ago. This is my haul from Goodwill. And so yeah, I wanted to go ahead and videotape the blazer that I ended up getting and some other things I want to show you here. But you guys, I am in love with this blazer. I am so excited, and I like to do try on hauls at the store when I can. So I hope you guys like this blazer. I think it is so adorable. It is like, it reminds me of this, I don't know, like the 70s, so maybe the 60s. I can't quite pinpoint what era this reminds me of, but this pattern is so adorable. This flower, like I don't know, it's just so cute. It reminds me of like wallpaper. I love it so much, and I love this like poofy like detail on the shoulder right here. I love that on. It's so adorable on. It's hard to tell with me just holding it like this, but it has this cute little like shoulder detail. I just cannot get over how cute it is. So, and you guys, this is brand new because look, it still has the button attached to it that would have come, you know, when it was just bought. And this is made by ModCloth. It's an extra large, and I'm so excited that I got it, you guys. I love this jacket, and it's $6.99 at Goodwill, or I paid $6.99 for it. But honestly, like, you can wear this, I could wear this all year round with just a tank top underneath it, and just I could wear it in summertime. It has a cute little button detail right there. So I mean, I won't go too much more into explaining this jacket because you'll have seen in the video before I'm talking here what it looks like. But it's just so cute. And in the back, it has like a little, like I think it's called the pre-plum. I think that's the hemline. I'm not sure if that's the word for it, but it kind of flares. You see how it kind of like, the back kind of has like a little bit of a ruffle detail. Look at that. How cute is that? So it has like a two layer detail. So it's very detailed, like everything, like there's a lot of details in this jacket. It has the pockets. I just love it so much. So anyways, there it is for $6.99. I'm so excited to have that in my wardrobe. I will be wearing that a lot. That's one of those things I can throw on when I'm going out the door, and it looks polished, like, you know, I just love it. Okay, so that's probably why I own like a million blazers, because they're so easy. They're so easy to wear. I love them. Okay, the next thing I picked up is, these are for my daughter. These are really cute, brand new, Old Navy, still has the tags on it from Old Navy. This is kind of expensive in my opinion for Goodwill. It was $7.99. Because at Old Navy, if these were on clearance, it would have been about the same price. But these are really nice leggings. They have like this really nice line going down the you know, the legging line. It's like it's just very quality made leggings. I can tell just by the material and the lines that it has. It's just really, so I wanted to get these for my daughter. They're called the Stevie, and these are the extra small. And like I said, I know I may have even gotten a better deal if I actually got these at Old Navy on clearance, but I just had to get these because they look super high quality pair of leggings. So yeah, I got those. Then I picked this up for my other daughter. She loves like the smaller buffalo plaid print, houndstooth. I would say that this is not houndstooth, sorry, but like more smaller, that black and white check. She loves that. So I got this for my daughter, and it has little like bouquets all over it, and it's just a really cute skirt. And the brand, I don't think there's a brand in here. No, there's no brand. Oh yeah, Heart and Arrow. So it's the brand Heart and Arrow. But a great skirt to wear in the summertime with just like a black tank top or whatever type of top. It's just super easy piece to wear. And again, she loves this pattern. She has so many things with just this black and white cute little checkered pattern. She just adores it. So it's almost like a I don't know what kind of skirt this is called. I think this is like called the skater skirt. I think that's what back in the 90s, I think this, because I had these kind of skirts. I think they were originally called like the skater skirt. I could totally be wrong, you guys. But, oh, by the way, that was $3.99. So pretty good deal. Then we picked up another Dr. Seuss book. This one is called Oh, the Things You Can Think. It's so cute. Oh, the Things You Can Think. And it's originally a Kohl's book. I just realized that now. It's a Kohl's, well, it was sold at Kohl's. But this was $1.99. And so they had this, and they had this at Goodwill, the same exact book in the smaller size. So I chose the bigger one because it was like, it's nice to have a bigger book for the same price. But yeah, it's a really good book. And so $1.99. Oh, the Things You Can Think. Now, I actually have not read this book, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. So, and I just realized, this has been drawn in. I did not even check that when I picked it up. So, it's got a little extra to it. It's been drawn in. That's too bad. But, yeah. Anyway, okay. So, moving on. The next thing I picked up is these for my daughter as well. These are so cute. I wish they were in my size, you guys. These are such a beautiful, like, army green. Really cute legging, or like kind of like jeggings, kind of. They're made by Liverpool Jeans Company, which I've never heard of that brand before. I should check eBay to see how much these kind of jeans are selling for, or jeggings. But they're kind of cropped jeggings, so they kind of go at like your ankle. They're super adorable. I love these. And then they have pockets on the back. Again, I love this color. These look brand new. It's like a knit. They're super, super nice material. And the back has this little logo. I've never heard of this. Have you guys heard of this brand? Never heard of this before. These were $5.99. But again, wouldn't that be so cute, even with this like black top I'm wearing? Oh my gosh, I wish I could find jeans in this, like this for me. It's like I can never find. I love that color. I love it. Okay, I have two more items to show you. Okay, so the next item I picked up was another record. I had to get this, you guys. Oh my goodness, what a find. So it's the Barbra Streisand and Barry Gibb album. It's so like, I love this because it's totally vintage. Like, and I know pretty much every Barbra Streisand song there is. Like, literally, I could recite her whole, like, all her songs. And so she has a song on here. This is why I bought the record, was because, well, first of all, it's Barbra Streisand. That's why, I love her music. Second of all, it has a song, Women in Love. And I love that song. She has this note on it when she sings Women in Love that I do not know how she carries this note. Like, it goes on for like 3 minutes straight of her carrying this one note. I'm like, how does she do that? So anyways, yeah, I had to get this. And this is like seriously such a cute little album cover. I think it's so adorable. And it's Streisand, and it's called Guilty is the album, the album. And it was only $2. So I love the styles back then. Look at that. It's so cute. So, and then the inside has like a total like picture of them, like all these like pictures of them. And but yeah, I'm excited to listen to this. I haven't listened to it yet, but here is the album, Barbra Streisand. So anyways, oh, this was produced in 1980. Oh, the year I was born. So this album is 41 years old, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's cool. I didn't even see that it was made in 1980, this album. Okay, now the last thing I want to show you, I am so excited about this. This is so, I've been looking to find a new piece to put in my kitchen. I got tired of looking at this one thing I had on my wall for a while. It was another chalkboard thing, but it just wasn't what I wanted anymore. So I do love chalkboard things. Like, I think they're so much fun. So I found this, you guys. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So it was, it is super heavy too, you guys. It's almost like, I feel like somebody did this themselves. Like, they took an old frame and then they chalkboard, you know, they painted it and then added this, because like I said, this has no company on the back where it was made. And but it's beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I love this frame because it's very Victorian looking. I love this style like so much, and I love the shade that they painted it in. This like gray, this like smoky gray. It's like charcoal almost. It's just so pretty. So I'm gonna put this, and it's very big. I'm not sure if it's reading like that on the screen here, but it's huge, you guys. So I'm gonna put this, like I said, in my kitchen. It has the jute string like right here. So I am gonna you know, put like quotes on it, Bible verses, like happy birthdays for people. Like, I just do different things. Like, that's why I like to have chalkboards in my kitchen, because like it's kind of like, you know, just I like to be in my kitchen and just see like motivational quotes and that type of thing. So anyways, there it is. Oh my gosh, this was so, oh, by the way, this was only $4.49. The price is right there, $4.49. So anyways, I showed my mom and she's like, that is really, really pretty, because she came over to visit a few days ago. So anyways, I hope you guys like that as much as I do. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so that is it for what I bought at Goodwill, you guys. I'm really, really excited with everything I bought. And I have the receipt right here. Let me grab the receipt. Okay, so with everything I just showed you, I spent only $33.44 for everything. That's a record, a blazer, the chalkboard frame there, 2 pairs of pants, a book, a skirt, and I think that's it for $33. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. So, and that includes like tax, and because tax was, how much was tax? I don't see how they break it down here, but the total amount was $33.44. So anyways, you guys, yeah, that's it for my Goodwill haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you again very, very much for being here. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this video for now. But I will see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends? So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you all. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.